never have I ever told my parents you were going to a friend's house, but we're at somewhere else, like a boy's partying. You're like, next question. Hey guys, I am, wait, why was that so awkward? Hey guys, what is wrong with me? How do you say it? Would you start with hey guys?
I tried
Hey
different
everyone.
things. See, when you put me on the spot, then it's awkward. Hey guys.
I think you say hey guys.
Probably.
I think you say, we all say hey guys and it's so annoying. Okay. Hey guys, I'm so excited for today's video because I have the absolutely beautiful Iman.
We met, what, 6 months ago?
Yeah, it was at a Maybelline event. She lived close to me and it was just exciting to meet another girl in this space, and I just moved here. And then I found out she was Egyptian, so it was like another brown girl. It was super exciting.
And I love everything you're doing with Tinted. I'm a huge fan.
Iman's home has become like the girl haven of just like wine nights and that we all really need. But when we were talking about collabing, we were like, we want to do something fun and not just like makeup, because you guys see that from us so often.
We wanted to do something so you guys can kind of maybe get to know us a little bit better. I'm sure you guys know Deepica, of course, already, but maybe
this
see
one's
it
gonna be
like
funny.
this will be fun.
Kylie looked up a bunch of questions for never have I ever, but I wanted to make sure it was things that relate to growing up as a brown girl.
For sure, you guys can relate to some of these things, whether
Exactly.
you're like Indian or Middle Eastern or
Foreign parents
Asian,
in general.
or just like come from any immigrant family.
Literally. But to make it really annoying on us, you should have seen her face like cringe when I said this. Every single time the answer is yes, instead of drinking, like you know how people do that, we have to re-swatch and put on a new lipstick.
Taking off lipstick and putting new lipstick on is the most annoying thing.
I think it's my least favorite videos to do as like a beauty influencer swatch
like lip
videos.
swatches. Oh, I never do them for that
Shoot
reason.
me, they're so painful.
Oh, before we start, I just want to tell you guys. Make sure you check out my channel after this so you can see another video that we did together. Okay, go.
Never have I ever snuck out of the house. I have.
Are our parents gonna watch this?
Yeah, they are.
I don't want my mom to see
Is she still on you like this? Like she would still freak out?
She'd be really upset if she found out that I used to sneak out of the house.
Dead. I actually got caught when I did. It was really bad. Oh my God, it was actually really embarrassing. And you know who? It was by my grandma, and she doesn't speak English.
Oh no.
And she started to freak out, and she was like, I know you snuck out. And she was so disappointed in me. Oh my God, it like really is stressing me out thinking about how what an annoying bratty kid I was.
I definitely didn't get caught.
All right, I'm putting on this Tarte Lip Lingerie shade Bear.
You know what? I'm gonna go for the bright. Can I use yours?
Yeah, duh.
Okay. Today we'll be using the Laura Mercier Velour Extreme.
It's go.
It's ga. I said that really weird.
Never have I ever skipped class. I was like, should you just already take this one off?
Should I even be putting this on? I don't know if this ever happened to you or not, but on your report card, it would say numbers of days missed or numbers of classes missed.
It didn't do that for me.
And the number was like 320 or something crazy. Because I used to skip class a lot.
Hold on, is this high school? You're college.
No, this is high school.
What?
Should I even put this on? Like, what's the point? I don't even know.
No, you do, because that's the whole point. You gotta
But
take it
then
off.
finally they found out because they saw that number on my report card or whatever it was. I got in trouble then.
Oh my God. I skipped class a lot in college. I love how you didn't even fully put that on.
I know, I just... 2 seconds.
Never have I ever gotten detention.
Why are we even doing this? There's no point. There's no... Literally, I could just look at this. No. Okay, go ahead.
There's some where you're like, okay.
No, there's none. There's none.
Oh man, this was a good vibe too. I like actually wanted to keep this on for like a hot second.
Oh, that's so pretty.
Smashbox, crush it. Okay, never have I ever dated someone without my parents knowing. And here we go.
Today we'll be using the MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in High Drama.
I'm dying. You're literally putting it on to take it off.
Oh, look, I got it all over my face.
I know, that's my favorite part.
Never have I ever...
Started shaving using tampons before telling my mom.
All of the above.
All the above.
And then
literally.
I totally remember one day, I think like we went to the beach or something, and my mom's like, Iman, because that's how they say my name.
Oh, really?
So she's like, Iman, did you shave your legs? And I was like,
Of course I shaved my mustache. It was a mustache and I got made fun of for it. Like, why was my mom so mean to me about it? Kylie's like dying over there.
Oh, wow. This is an intense color right now.
Okay, never have I ever let my mom dress me as an Indian and or Egyptian princess for Halloween.
Definitely not.
Oh. Same. I wanted to be one. Like, I was obsessed with Jasmine growing up. My lips are really burning. Never have I ever had to do extra studying outside of school. Kumon, math wizards, etc., etc. Oh, I did.
No, I didn't. I was a straight A student.
In the 2 days you went to class? Like what?
But that's why I didn't need to go to class.
Because you're that smart.
Because I was naturally that smart. What my parents did is that they bribed me with money. So for every A that I got, I would get $20 or something.
Did Tooth Fairy always give you $20 instead of 25 cents? Because that's what I got from the Tooth Fairy.
Oh, it was definitely dollar bills.
Oh, yeah.
It was not change.
Wait, this is a good one. Never have I ever thrown away my mom's homemade lunch and bought something instead.
Don't get me started.
Same.
Let me explain to you guys.
We need a new wipe for this one.
Take white. Every single day, I would throw my lunch out. Every single day.
What was it?
My parents used to make me...
Oh, that? I do not like this lit lip. No, Mac, you messed up here. Retro matte, no.
And it's so hard to take off right now. They used to make me olive spread sandwiches.
Wait, is that weird?
What did I just say right
Wait,
now?
what is an olive spread sandwich?
I love olives, but not as a spread on a sandwich. That's not a good thing. I don't feel like this is going to take forever to take this car off.
You're going to need 40 different wipes right now.
And then one day, out of nowhere, I think I was grocery shopping with my mom, and I was just couldn't handle the guilt anymore. And then one day I was like, I have something to tell you. I throw out my lunch every day.
Was she so sad?
She wasn't as sad. I was worried she'd be mad and I would get in trouble, but she's nice about it.
I used to think lunch food in elementary school was the best. Chicken fingers and pancakes, I was so down for it.
Did you guys ever have the McDonald's lunch sometimes?
Oh, hell yeah, that was a treat. This is a really not cute color with what I'm wearing.
Oh, that's not nice. Taking this off was so painful.
Oh yeah, no, we don't like that one. Never have I ever gotten an allowance.
Oh, I totally got an allowance. You clean the bathroom? Okay, you get $5. Okay, I'll clean the bathroom.
Wait, really?
Yeah, it's just the way it works.
I don't know, Indian culture is a little different. You guys tell me if you got an allowance growing up, but that wasn't a thing. I have another one. Never have I ever been visited by Santa Claus.
No, definitely not. We didn't believe in Santa Claus.
Same. One year I remember, this doesn't warrant me taking this off though, because it was a fake thing. My mom, I saw her writing Santa Claus the same wrapping paper as every other gift under the tree. I'm
oh my God.
At least take some effort, Mom. At least the smallest effort, but the thought that counts. I guess both of our cultures, Santa Claus was not a thing. Yeah. No. Never have I ever played a sport.
I was non-athletic. I was the water girl.
I don't do sports.
I don't do sports. And I'm not competitive.
I like that about you, though, because I feel like that bleeds into your work life now, too. Never have I ever had to tell friends to take their shoes off in my home. Oh, that's a fat, let me take this off. I definitely have had to do that. Never have I ever been embarrassed to have my friends over.
Were you?
Yeah.
Why?
I thought that the smell of curry in my house was going to be so embarrassing.
Oh, I get what you mean. Should we do one more and that's it?
Yeah, let's finish this off.
Yeah.
Never have I ever had to go to a SAT prep course.
I'm Canadian. We didn't have SATs.
Lucky! I had to go to Test Masters and it was the worst. So I really like this color. What is this brand?
That's a great color. What was that?
What's Ombriche?
What's Ombriche?
Own it. 24 karat lips. Down.
Never heard of it, but it looked beautiful. I'm gonna try it too. My lips are on fire. I'm not gonna lie.
I know, but you know what? That was so fun. I feel like we need to do more Never Have I Ever. It was kind of Brown Girl edition, but it was honestly also kind of just growing up life edition. Let us know if you want to see more collabs from us and what you want to see. Should we do these more often? This is really fun.
Well, guess what? We are doing more on my channel.
Yes, so go right now and watch the rest of it on Iman's channel. All the info is down below, and don't forget to subscribe to both of our channels.
Make sure you subscribe. Add us on Instagram. Add Iman. What's your Instagram?
At Deepica. I'm really offended you didn't know that. My lips need a little bit of healing, so, Bye, guys. See you on the other channel.
Bye.
I'm gonna do It Girl now, too.
Which
you
one?
could be my It Girl. Look at your face. That's so rude. What was the street that you were living on?
Do not tell them what street we live on.
No, but you don't live there anymore. You're not gonna tell me that I have lipstick all over my face.
No, I was waiting for you to figure it out.
It's cool.
Really great.
That's a friend right
Mine
there.
are so sore.
I'm a little gray. I also need to floss.
I hate doing this part on camera.
Why?
Because you
look crazy. Yeah. Oh.
You don't do that?
No.
How do you get the inside?
I don't.
Oh my God.